Hey guys, Danny Johnson here, back with another luxury home walkthrough, and this was a very beautiful home, and I really liked some of the smaller touches, like the stamped concrete going up that looked like paver stones, the swinging chair here off to the side. So this one came in at $1.2 million, 3,375 square feet, so a little smaller than I thought. 5 bedrooms, 4 baths. It's on 2 floors, and it has a 3-car garage. So walking in from the front, right here off to the left, you have a nice little sitting room. This could also be an office. Probably not a bedroom because there wasn't a door or a closet, but nice little area here right off to the side. And really like the flooring that they used. Off to the right, you do have a bedroom, and so a little bit on the smaller side, but beautiful bathroom here for it to use as well. And at the front of the home, it's kind of interesting to have a tub in case you're getting out when somebody's at the front door. But anyway, beautiful otherwise designed here with the dual doors for the closet. It's a nice room, a little on the small side again, but yeah, the bathroom was very beautifully done. I like how they did the tile all the way down both walls, and it was a good selection of tile. Walking through here now, we have the stairs that go up in the middle. And just taking a look here at the living room, I think it was a very good size, and I loved the built-ins with the fireplace. I think they did a great job, and I like the tall ceilings as well. Gives you some extra airspace. That's why the square footage of the home was probably a little smaller than usual. But the stairs were beautiful, and I liked the work that they did on the walls of the stairs too, to give it a nice look. Right here we have a nice island for our kitchen. And the kitchen looked very good. I liked the placement and how many cabinets that you have. You have the little water spout that comes over the oven range there, and then a little divided kitchen area here on the inside with more cabinets and a nice counter space and plenty of storage. So I thought for a pantry, they did a great job with that. The island looked good over here. I like the finishes too. You have a formal dining area over here with a door that goes out to the backyard. So room for a table there. Now let's go into the master, where I think they really spent a lot of time. And so you have your nice bed here in the middle and a very open, nice windows off to the side. And as we come into the bathroom, it just is huge for this size of home. And so beautiful soaker tub here off to the right. Nice feature wall behind it with nice stone. And the vanities were a good size. I thought they gave you plenty of counter space and plenty of cabinets and drawers, which is perfect for a bathroom. Right off to the side here, we have the shower, same stone that looked really nice. And then going in, we have the master closet, which I thought was a decent size for the house. And I thought it was really nice as the closet goes all the way down here, and it had this nice little feature here for hanging your coats or your neckties and some other things. So they made good use of just a flat wall. Plenty of shoes there at the very end too, which take up a lot of space. So it was really nice that had your little toilet here, but you have a passage for your washer and dryer, so it goes all the way through. I love that they're doing this in homes now, so you can easily access the washer and dryer for the rest of the house or the master without walking all the way around. So it's very convenient and a nice built-in. This was probably one of my favorite features of the home, was this beautiful mudroom area for sitting down, and I love the colors. Going up the stairs, you have a nice look off into the entry hall, nice chandelier, and here's our first bedroom off to the side. And I loved how they did this built-in bench with the lights, and so that was just a great feature to the room. And it really makes the space a lot more beautiful and more enjoyable to actually have a bench to sit down at the window. So they did a really good job adding little features like that make the home more enjoyable. Normal size closet, not too big, but plenty of space in there. Coming back off of the staircase here, I'm just going to give you a quick view down into the living room. So that's your view coming down, very beautiful view. And coming back into the bathroom here, dual vanity, a nice big black mirror, black surrounded mirror with lights, and the toilet and the tub inside the room. So kind of a normal look to it. They vertically stacked the tile and then did a horizontal after that. I thought that was a really nice look to it. Here's another bedroom off to the side, and look at this beautiful archway behind the bed. So they did a great job with those kind of built-ins that really make the home more homey. And I really love these little side lights that they did that just gives light but doesn't blind you, so it's a good way to put it on. And I love the little pergola in the back with a fire pit. This one has another normal size closet, good size here. Coming back in, we have another bathroom and another nice little design with a tile. So I like what they did with that. A small little vanity in this one, not quite as big. Then you have a movie theater room. So this was awesome to have a little built in here with some area for your snacks and a refrigerator, little countertops, and some floating shelves with the mirror. I thought was a great touch. Just looked very high class. So they did a great job with that. And the lighting in this room, being the whole room is painted dark for the movie theater, gave you that nice, feeling for it. And so I like the lighting that they did on the walls and the color. Everything looked really good about this room. We have another bedroom here, and this one didn't have really any built-ins, but they just made it a fun theme by changing the paint color. Same size closet it looks like, but this room was a nice room as well. It would have been cool to have another bench or something, some kind of built-in as well, but good room size here, and it has a nice view out of the front. So here's a view of that. And nice big windows letting some light in. This was set up to be for 2 beds, but you'd probably be better off with 1 bed in this room. And again, that built-in in the other room I just loved. And I really liked the backyard with this walkway that goes to the pergola. It was actually what I did. Here's a clip of my backyard. I had seen that before from this builder, and I wanted to do a similar thing to mine, but I really liked the little pathway with the fire pit, little pergola, and this backyard was beautiful. It had a nice built-in planter box here, and the grass was actually the fake AstroTurf grass, but it had a really nice feel to it, so might consider that down the road. But here's a nice fire pit as you're going under here. I probably would move that out and just have a seating area. Inside they had a tankless water heater, which I thought was interesting. I'm interested to know how those really work. But I, again, really love the big built-in here for this area as you're leaving the home to put your shoes on. I love the color. I love the design color of the little knobs and the hooks and everything too. So I think they did a great job for the square footage of this house. I would have liked to see an RV garage or something off to the side. But anyway, thanks for watching. Check the video description. I have more videos that are like this. And if you're new to the channel, feel free to subscribe. Thanks, guys.